Hello viewers, in this video we are going to solve this interesting exponential equation. So let's get started. Right now the first step is for us to try and express this 6 in the form of 3. So we are going to make use of this identity. If we have a to the power of log of b to base a, this is actually equals to b. So we are going to apply this here. So right now, let's recall we have 3 to the power of root of x is equals to 3 to the power of log of 6 to base 3 or to the power of x squared. You know 3 would take care of this and you have 6 left. So we haven't changed anything yet. So right now we are going to equate the exponents because the bases here are the same. So we are having root of x equals to, the x squared here will come behind this log and we are going to have x squared log of 6 to base 3. So right now we can rewrite this square root as x to the power of 1 over 2 equals to x squared log of 6 to base 3, and we can remove this half here we have as the exponent by simply multiplying this exponent by 2, and we can also square this. So this becomes x equals to, here we have x to the power of 4, then we have log of 6 to base 3 all to the power of 2. So right now I have copied this down in this other page, and the next thing is for us to equate this to be equals to 0 by taking this x over to this other part of the equation, and we are going to have x to the power of 4 into log of 6 to base 3 or to the power of 2 minus x equals to 0. So we are going to factor out x from here. We are going to have x into, we have x to the power of 3, and we have log of 6 to base 3 or to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So the first solution will be x equals to 0, and we need to find the other solution. So we have, or we are going to have x to the power of 3 into log of 6 to base 3 or to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So right now I have copied this down here, so we can actually take this negative 1 across this equality sign, and we are going to have x to the power of 3 into log of 6 to base 3 or to the power of 2 equals to 1. So right now we are going to have x into the power of 3, log of 6 to base 3 is simply log of 6 divided by log of 3 or to the power of 2 equals to 1. So right now we are going to have x to the power of 3 equals to 1 divided by log of 6 divided by log of 3 to the power of 2. So this will be equals to log of 3 divided by log of 6 all squared. 1 divided by this will give you this. So right now I have copied this down here, and the next thing is log of 3 divided by log of 6 is simply, we have x cubed equals to log 3 to base 6 all to the power of 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to take the cube root of both sides of the equation. So we are going to have the cube root of x cubed equals to, we can also take the cube root of log of 3 to base 6 all squared. So the cube root here will take care of the cube here. We are going to have x equals to, we can write this as log of 3 to base 6 all to the power of 2 divided by 3. So this becomes the other solution that we have. So at this point, we have come to the end of the lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop your comments. Thank you and goodbye.